When one is authorized to do something, that power is not mine nor yours. It is from the one who gave the power and shared to us, or shared to you, or in this case, shared to the disciples. Authority, auctoritas in Latin, exousian or exousia in Greek, the power of command, the freedom to make decisions. This is very important because Jesus trusted the 12. Not just power, but He trusts them to be authoritative, to give decisions, to make something out of the things given to them. And there is the risk of abuse. There is the risk of thinking, oh, I am powerful, I'm talented, I am